Let's make this beautiful omelette.
So for this, grab some mushroom and then cut them into small pieces. Like this. Then get an onion. I already have half onion. Half onion will be perfect size for this. So now just turn this onion into dice. So if you go like this, it's easy to cut into dice. Now you have your mushroom and then onion. Okay, now get a pan and turn on the heat and put the pan on the heat source. So let it heat up. And while the pan is heating up, get a bowl and 3 eggs. 3 eggs are perfect size for the omelette. Then just crack the eggs in the bowl. Add some salt and some pepper on your egg. And now the pan is hot and dry. All the waters are dried up. Then what you can do is add some oil. So while the oil gets hot, just whisk the egg using the fork. Leave it on the side. So while the pan is hot, put the mushroom first. And if the mushroom soaks up all the oil, then what you can do is you can add more oil. Mushroom will soak lots of oil, so when you do mushroom, you need lots of oil to cook it. Quite a lot. So just let the mushroom get hot, keep moving the pan. So you can reduce the heat, move the pan away from the heat. You can do whatever you like. And now add the onion. Just keep it stirring. Don't get anything stick. Keep the pan on medium. Just keep it stirring and keep cooking until everything is golden brown in color. Keep the heat very low. Move the pan away from the heat if necessary. And if you think that it is going to burn, just add some water. You don't want to put too much water, just put like this much so that it will be the heat of the pan again. Because the mushroom from burning. So just keep it stirring. If you'd like, you can add some garlic and ginger paste as well. This mushroom. Try to cut through the mushroom, and if you can easily cut through the mushroom like this, then the mushroom has been cooked. Let's try. Here, I don't need to apply too much pressure. If it is getting cut easily, then the mushroom has been cooked. Try with 2 or 3 slices to see how it goes, and if few of the slices are still a bit tougher, then keep cooking. Just keep it stirring so that things won't stick to the pan and get burnt. So now once you see that it has been golden brown, then you can move the pan aside from the heat, and it will keep cooking as well because of the heat from the pan. So just leave it there on the side. So now grab a non-stick pan and put it on the heat. So for the omelette, I like to use ghee or butter. I have ghee at the moment, so I'll use the ghee. If you have butter, you can use butter. If you don't have both, then you can use oil as well. So, but make sure that you put good amount of butter or ghee or oil on the pan. So in order to check if the ghee or oil or butter that you put has been hot or not, just Get the egg, dip whatever you have, this spoon or fork, and just let few drops drop on the pan. And if it boils like this, I mean like if it forms bubble like this, then the pan is good to go. Okay. So now make sure that the butter, ghee or oil is all over the pan. And now put the egg. And for the omelette, you need to use a spatula. And now reduce the heat once you put the egg on the pan, and just keep moving the egg around like this. And now once you move the egg around, then you get the pan off the heat, and then just move the egg around like this so that it forms a layer all over the pan. Now you need to make sure that the heat is even lower. The egg will keep cooking without getting the underside burnt. See here how the egg is moving all around. So you don't want the egg to float like that. So just put the heat on very low, and then make sure that the egg is all set, it's not moving around. So now you can see that the egg has stopped running around, like see here it's not moving around much. So this is the right time to move the, you can turn off the heat as well, just turn off the heat. You can add the mushrooms or whatever you add. Just put everything towards one of the side. So after you have put everything on one side, you can add some cheese if you want. So after you put everything on the pan, just push a spatula inside. After you go like 60% through, just flip the egg. Just push it around and make sure that it covers the egg. And then just get a plate, put it on the plate. So there you have it, our beautiful omelette.